Hey, are you ready for your virtual test drive with Will's Wheels?
Today I'm going to take you around our little BMW 318i M Sport manual in Imola Red. It's a lovely little car. Has a good wee engine. It's had a couple of new sensors and things during its life. E46s suffer with rust a lot, and this one here doesn't have the usual problems of all the stone chips. The bumper's in lovely shape, as you can see, and even the wings are in good shape as well. This one actually has the wheels, the 17-inch alloy wheels from an E90 M Sport, which are in fairly good condition, and there's good tyres on them as well. We have the high gloss trim. We see there's no issues with rust down here, no issues with the rust along here. There's really no rust issues at all with this car as well. It has the M Sport suspension in it, which is all in good condition. And if you want to have a wee look inside, you'll see that this car actually has really nice sand beige leather interior. It's the M Sport, of course, and feel free to have a wee look in there. You'll see the carbon trim that all the sport models came with. You'll see the black headlining, you'll see the nice MTEC 4 steering wheel, and everything really is working very well in there. So, would you like to come and take a test drive then? We can go right now if you wish. So, ready to go. There's two keys with this car, and it also has the factory CD changer as well. Starts first time. You can see there's no lights on the dash or anything. Everything comes off as it should. The engine that's fitted to this car is the N42 V20A, and what that is a 2-litre 4-cylinder twin cam engine, and it makes for quite a peppy little engine. It's about 140 brake horsepower, and it really does move quite nicely. It's fairly frugal as well. These engines do tend to get something in around 41-42 miles to gallon, and you can hear there's no knocks or bangs out of this car. It drives really well. Everything works lovely. It's a lovely day, but I'll test the wipers here. We have electric mirrors, we have electric windows. Again, with the E46, the electric windows is an issue on them, but they all work just fine in this car. Everything electrical does work in this car just fine. It gets up the temperature nicely. All the lights work. It's got front fog lights and rear. What more to say, except it's a lovely, quiet little car, and it looks stunning in red with the beige leather. It's a fantastic little combination. It really is very nice. You can even see there that it sits on a very steady idle as well. Okay, we've driven at a fair distance now, so I'll just turn it back and just go. So there we have it. One BMW E46 318i M Sport. Nice sunny day to look at it, and really it's a lovely car, so really I think that deserves a little happy face all right.